Ever pondered about Venus, our neighboring planet? Yes? Then you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Venus, often referred to as Earth's twin. Why, you ask? Well, it's due to its similar size to Earth. Scientists estimate the diameter of Venus to be about 7,520 miles, making it just about 400 miles smaller than Earth. Now, let's talk about its journey around the Sun. Venus has a nearly circular orbit, and it takes the planet roughly 225 Earth days to travel completely around the Sun. Interestingly, with its faster orbit, Venus overtakes Earth every 584 Earth days. But here's a fun fact. Venus rotates so slowly on its axis that a day on Venus is longer than its year. So, Venus might be Earth's twin, but it surely has its distinct features. Now let's delve into the mysterious atmosphere of Venus. Shrouded in a thick veil of sulfuric acid clouds, Venus is constantly obscured from our view. These dense clouds not only hide the planet's surface but also reflect sunlight, making Venus the third brightest object in our night sky. Now imagine a world where 65% of the surface is covered in flat, smooth plains, while the remaining 35% is a rugged terrain of 6 mountainous regions. That's Venus for you. But what's more intriguing is the planet's heavy atmosphere. Unlike Earth's nitrogen-oxygen mix, Venus's atmosphere is primarily made up of carbon dioxide. This dense blanket of gas exerts an incredible amount of pressure on the planet's surface. To put it into perspective, it's roughly 90 times more pressure than what we experience on Earth. Truly, Venus's atmosphere is a world of its own, isn't it? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to stand on Venus? Let's find out. Just imagine, if you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you'd be only about 88 pounds on Venus. That's right, the force of gravity on Venus is slightly less than on Earth. But don't let that fool you into thinking Venus is a lighter experience. Venus is known for its high surface temperatures, which are a result of the greenhouse effect. Picture vast clouds of sulfuric acid and a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide trapping nearly all of the radiant energy from the sun. This energy is held right at the surface, creating a sizzling average temperature of about 870 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than most ovens. So while you might weigh a little less, the trade-off is stepping into a world hotter than your kitchen on Thanksgiving Day. With temperatures hotter than most ovens, Venus isn't exactly a vacation spot. Is there life on Venus? Let's explore this question. The possibility of life on Venus has long intrigued scientists and enthusiasts alike. However, the extreme conditions on the planet make it unlikely. Adding to these inhospitable conditions, Venus lacks a detectable magnetic field. This suggests that its liquid core is much smaller than Earth's, further limiting the potential for life as we know it. Unlike most planets in our solar system, Venus, much like its solar neighbor Mercury, is devoid of any moons. Its proximity to the Sun also means that Venus, just like Earth, has a limited lifespan. As the Sun expands into a red giant, it will inevitably engulf the inner planets. Though lifeless, Venus is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Let's wrap up with some fascinating facts about Venus. Did you know that our weekdays carry a celestial legacy? The English word Friday is derived from the Anglo-Saxon frigadag, which means Venus Day. Now, isn't that something to ponder as you head into the weekend? Let's switch gears and talk about space exploration. The Mariner 2 mission, a backup for the ill-fated Mariner 1, made its way to Venus, marking a significant milestone in our quest to learn more about our neighboring planets. The relationship between Earth and Venus is a dynamic one. The distance between these two celestial bodies varies, ranging from a close 23.7 million miles to a distant 162 million miles apart. This constant cosmic dance adds to the intrigue and mystery of Venus. And there you have it, 21 surprising facts about Venus, our mysterious neighbor. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Stay safe, stay curious. Wish you all good luck and good health.